peanuts. Where you going, little
Oh,
peanuts?
you gotta fly.
Where you going, little peanuts?
Did you get it, Damon?
Where you going, peanuts? What you
Stephen,
doing?
do you think you're a cat or a dog? Which are you, Stephen? He said, I slept in that pen for 8 weeks. That was my plan.
Oh.
You're going to pull your poor brother by his tail. Haley says, hey, she got me by the tail. And you're a little demon girl.
Hey, Skinner, where you going? No, no, whacking you off. No,
I
whacking
gotta
you
fix
off.
some more food. That's what I was going to do.
Whacking you off. Whacking you off. Yeah. Right. Hello, pretty girl.